All right, man. Full transparency time right off the bat, bro. Right off the bat, man. So y'all see I'm on a different broker. I'm actually on a Trade of 8 broker. And sad to say that I blew my funded account, y'all. After being up 1700, I'm just trying to hit a home run. A loss. Then I was trying to make that back. Started revenge trading after I kept losing, and yeah, ended up blowing that account, unfortunately. So now we're back. I got end up doing 50K account. I have 6 of those right now. So yeah, it's just unfortunate, you know. It's unfortunate. I learned that I really hate losing. Like, I really hate seeing a red day, and I need to be able to figure out how to deal with that. I really do. I need to figure out how to deal with red days. So, only reason I'm on the Trade of 8 broker is because I can't copy trade. I haven't found a software to copy trade, 6 accounts yet. I'm gonna continue looking for one, but yeah, this is the only way I can kind of copy trade 6 accounts, and yeah, we'll get funded again. We'll be more cautious. We'll learn from our mistakes, and what I'm thinking is now that once I get these 6 accounts passed and funded, my mentality is I won't have to hit a home run because I can take singles and doubles, knowing that the profits amongst the 6 accounts are multiplied. So instead of $150 or $200 day, it'd be a $1,200 day, or a $1,000 day, because it's spread through 6 accounts. So yeah, man, let's get into it. Let's see what we have, what the market's gonna offer us today, and try to remain patient. I do have the trading view chart pulled up just because it's a lot easier to kind of navigate, in my opinion, and I just can't place any trades. I can place trades, but I can't place the copy trades on trading view, which is kind of trash. So, you know, it's gonna take me a little while getting used to this Trade of 8 account here, or the Trade of 8 brokerage, but we'll figure it out one way or another. So yeah, let's kind of get into it. Let's get into it, y'all. Yeah, trading views is a hell of a lot easier to navigate. That's why I always kind of preferred um, trading view over having to learn a Trade of 8 platform. But I think there might be something out there. There has to be something out there that allows you to sync all accounts and use trading view still. There has to be. So we have just looking at everything. We have this buy side liquidity here, and then we have we'll see. We have this major point here. This major point of of sell side liquidity. My fault. There, looks like we might be reversing after not being able to break this swing high on this attempt, and then you see we weren't able to break this swing high on this attempt. Same thing. So we'll kind of wait and see. It looks like we might be retracing to this new day opening gap kind of up in this area here. And then we'll kind of see. We will see. Yeah, it's gonna take a minute to get used to this, bro. Like, we'll figure it out. We still do have a point of buy side all the way up at the 353 level. And now what I would be looking for is this 2.8. What is this? This level right here. This level here. Horizontal line. You get all this liquidity, waiting to kind of be ran right there, but it does look like we came into a 5-minute fair value gap that we pretty much kind of rebalanced on this wick here. Bro, I keep clicking the wrong thing. I'm not looking to make any sudden movements. That's kind of what happened on my last few videos and trades, and that's what led me to down that rabbit hole of revenge trading. So, but it is a good sign that we didn't break this. Created a fair value gap, and now we're kind of expanding upwards. It's kind of cold in here too. Yeah, so is my mic even okay? Yeah, my mic's on. Okay, just had to make sure. So yeah, we gonna be patient, man. Yes, I don't know what something about seeing red days, man. Even after being up 1,700, eligible to take a withdrawal, y'all. That's the crazy point. I was eligible to take a withdrawal. Had I just walked away after being up, I think it was like $300, and it's a little shitty. Definitely a little shitty. Because what I was gonna do, I was gonna take a withdrawal with at least 500 of that 17, and I was gonna buy more accounts. That was the plan, and I just greed kicked in. Honestly, greed kicked in, came in, and like a thief in the night. You know, ran rapid, bro. I let it get the best of me. We have so many levels of sell side. This is actually look like it could be turned out to be like a market maker sell model. That's what it's kind of looking like it could play out to be. I'm gonna attempt here a short. Where's okay? This is giving me enough space to, if I do get in, I get tapped out, I can't execute another trade on the day, since I'm only risking one contract. So, oh wait, did it? Oh, it failed me. I didn't hear the what's the name? Order the field. And this number too, like it's not. I had to like learn and watch a couple videos, but essentially, I'm risking 195 to make 535 here. But this is combined all six. This is all six accounts. It's not 12 contracts. So that number might look big, but you got to keep in mind this is the number with 6 accounts. So we'll see if we get some pullback here. Looks like we might not. I did put my stop kind of at these relative equal highs, so Not looking good so far. Definitely not looking good. Wait, where did I put? I put it 229, 22925. Right there. I kind of wish this had like the timer. It's probably a way you can set it up. I wish this had like the time here to see how many seconds were left in the candle. I kind of have to rely on yeah, I'm gonna exit out of this. I have to rely on trading view. I don't know, something crazy too. I feel like I'm just making mistakes that I know I shouldn't be making. And sometimes that happens like when I feel like for me anyways. I feel like that happens most when um you kind of let those bad habits kind of creep back in. You know, you just kind of become like more impatient too, and I guess it just be for myself. I tend to feel the need to have at least like a win to kind of gain that confidence back. So I'm rushing things as opposed to kind of like waiting patiently. But like seeing like this, like that's not good. It rejecting off of that fair value gap like that. This is gonna be fun trying to get used to. So we have a 15-minute bearish volume imbalance here that we're tapping into, and so we'll see if we get more rejection off of that. What the heck? Why is it too? What is? Oh, okay, that's where my position is. Okay. Again, if you zoom out, bro, I'm not gonna like this. I'm not gonna like this at all. Nah, bro, no. Hold on. I'm having a hard time navigating this. If y'all can't tell. Um, Zoom out. Looks like we're kind of in the market maker sell model, buy side of the curve. You know, this could be sell side of the curve. Potentially looking to kind of head back, honestly, back down to here, kind of where the move started. This is kind of, I would ideally like to hold something on to this, but I have to take like a mini to kind of get in and hold kind of down to that point. A mini contract, which is less, you know, um, which is cheaper in terms of just kind of the buying and selling. So instead of 145, if I was in a mini, it'd be a huge difference. It wouldn't be as high or as low. So let's see if we kind of get some continued momentum downwards. We want to see this swing low broken completely. I mean, the nearest buy side, I mean, the nearest liquidity is in this area here. So we'll see if we grab that. Just kind of be patient a little bit and see, see what happens. I think we might even have a new. No, we got about 6 minutes, 5.5 minutes left for the new 15 to open. One thing I want to add to my game too is just time frame alignment. You know, looking at higher time frame liquidity and pairing that up with my smaller time frame trades, I feel like that's going to help me a lot. Kind of got to study it a little bit more, but I feel like that'll kind of help my success rate. Before, I was actually talking to a friend, and he was asking me like what was my like I guess my stats essentially, and it was 49% like win rate and average 1.95 RR risk reward ratio, so not too bad. Not too bad, but it could be, it could be better if I'm more selective and more picky, and I'm not taking as many trades. I feel like that could be a hell of a lot better. So I don't like how we're starting to kind of consolidate in this area right here. I just want to see these swing points broken, which, you know, might not get. This is the last couple minutes before a new 15-minute candle opens. The last 3 minutes, 2 minutes now. Man, it was so cold today. Yo, it like hurt to walk outside. Like that's how cold and windy it was, bro. Like I had to wear glasses so the wind didn't bother my eyes, bro. Like it hurt. It was painful. We haven't gotten a lot of snow, but it's been, man, I feel like this is one of the coldest winters that I can recently remember here in Minnesota. That shit hurt. And tomorrow is supposed to be worse. No bueno, bro. That's why we gonna make this trading shit work, bro. No matter how long it take. Cause you know what? We should be in Puerto Rico somewhere when this type of weather presents itself. Just chilling. Yeah, this is taking a little too long for my liking here. We'll see how this next 15th opens. It should is opening now. See if we can get a continued push. That's what I would like to see to remain confident in this trade. Yeah, we want to see this level broken first, and this level. We don't want to see it, small candles like this. We want to see pretty decent size continuous candles around this size that break these levels. Also, keep in mind that there's this fair value gap there, which is OTE range, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, a fair value gap at the bottom of this candle is the 0.75 OTE. Yeah. It's honestly not looking like we want to go down to these levels. This level here. Wait, did I? Hold on, I thought I put in a sell order. Oh wait, I did. Okay, I did. I'm looking. I was kind of confused for a second. All right, so I'm gonna exit out of that. Just didn't look like we're gonna head back down there. We have all this buy side here we could be targeting. So I'm trying to reverse now. I'm about to attempt a long. This would have been where my original stop was. So you have an order block there. I also have the new day opening gap right here. All right, so I place entry at this order block here. And this will be the last trade of my evening. If it doesn't go my way, even if it does, it'll be the last trade of my evening in general. So see how everything shapes out. We do have a 5-minute fair value up there. I actually want to see something. It's almost already 7:50. That's crazy. Or 7:50 New York time. Bro. I gotta get out of the habit of that. Say we want to blast off above this swing high here. But price is looking like it doesn't want to. So we did tap into this 5-minute fair value gap here. Not looking like it's holding that well. Huh? Yeah, I'm not feeling this trade right now. Whatsoever. We got 6 minutes and the 15. Yeah, I'm not even gonna have second thoughts about it. I'm gonna just exit. I'm gonna end my session there. It's been a rough stretch, a really rough stretch. So yeah, we'll be back tomorrow or Tuesday or tomorrow is Tuesday, Wednesday, and then just kind of pick it up from there again and see if we can find anything. So I'm out of here. Peace.